I welcome you all for this presentation. Today we are here to understand the SNS roadmap. As a corporate strategy, it is a boring kind of thing to understand corporate strategy of roadmap. So we will have a small story in a fantasy way. Yes, we are into the SNS roadmap. So every company has its own problems to be solved. As educational institutions, we are also having so many challenging tasks that we form into a chaos, but it has to be transformed into creation. So what if a business plan ready like a fantasy novel? Let us see how this business plan can be conveyed through a novel story in this video. From design thinking, we could go that all these things with 5 challenging stages: a journey from chaos, forging frameworks, era of innovation, climbing excellence tower, and the age of creation. Yes, the journey starts from setting the scene. We have a lot of challenges in front of us without no clear direction is there. So we need to understand this. In the land of chaos realm, storms of confusion and friction, ambitions clash and dreams fade. So every novel will have a key characters. Let us see one by one. The key characters of our particular novel is, our hero is common man of business, that is education. And we have to solve so many problems with the help of designer mentor and the lamp of human-centered innovation. Guiding power is design thinking. These are the 4 key characters in our novel. And design thinking is a lamp of human-centered innovation. That is the magic item that is going to play a very important role in our novel. So the transformation journey starts with age of chaos, where we have many problems and challenges, and it goes to awakening and era of growth, trials of excellence, and age of creation. Let us go into the forging framework, gathering the tool, where we are fighting for solutions rather than going to build the solutions for the same. So the first thing is we are following order of 3P, where purpose, process, and people must perfectly align and move as one. So why you are going to do, how you are going to do, who is going to do, that is very important in this 3P culture. And it is supported by 3C framework. So 3C framework is nothing but a trinity of enchanted relics for success. One is attitude, the growth mindset. Other one is logic and the genius inside the man. And the third one is technique, how we are going to do. So this 3C framework will support the 3P culture. And we have 5 pillars of learning. One is learn, upskill, innovate, thrive, and network. Okay. So these 5 pillars, we are in the first stage, we are continuously learning. In the second stage, we are upskilling and so on. It is supported by the spine guild, where cultural and community things happens, health, hobbies, and sports, binds body and mind for vitality, which supports this 5 pillars of learning. The third one is the era of innovation, putting powers to work. So we have so many things to put powers into work. That is, we have 2 engines of progress. One is 7+7 Council, another one is which is supported by Gen AI enchanters. So 7+7, we all know innovation industries and industry verticals. We are crafting wondrous new innovations and blending logic and magic to teach and automate using Gen AI, which is the common rule today. The best students become certified talents bearing three runs of the mastery. One is IT, the business, and engineering. This will be the outcome of our framework. And looking forward into the fourth is building a momentum is not important. Sustaining is very important. So we need a sustaining strategy to build momentum. The best and foremost important strategy we use is SMART OKR goals, a system transforming achievement into a game of action and purpose. So these SMART OKR goals are narrative and it is not boring tasks which will enhance to move forward to the greatest vision that we have this numbers 1,000. It's a great numbers to have 1,000 AI startups within 10 years. That is a breathtaking, ambitious vision. And we have so many things associated to form this. And the final age is the age of creation, where the true new transformed world is achieved with the help of OKR and strategies. The hallmarks of this new age is that a universal growth mindset, design thinking as a common tool, AI leveraged as a tool of wonder, a world that is radiant, intelligent, and human. So this is what is expected out of this roadmap. The outcome is very, very efficient with the help of all these things. Finally, we come to the conclusion that with the design thinking as our logic and as A as our scale, even 1,000 dreams are within the reach. So thank you all for the wonderful roadmap so far we have come across. So I once again wish to summarize. This starts with the foundation, that is chaos to challenge, and it goes with the framework and culture and growth and innovation, finally excellence and creation. Hope you all enjoyed this particular roadmap. This is not only used for any institutions, this is a common way of life. Design thinking is a way of life. Thank you.